I'm here in my 2019 Headunit I30 Fastback. I'm gonna show you how to remove the radio or how to get to the radio. I already installed an aftermarket one with Android Auto. Mine had nothing, only radio and Bluetooth. And yeah, there was an adapter I needed at the time that I didn't have, so I have to take it apart again to get FM radio back. And for that you will have to remove this, at least a bit, so you can get to the screws that hold this piece in. You will have to take it off then, and then you can get to the screws to get this off, and then you can get to the screws for the radio underneath, and then you have to remove this plate to get to the screws above here, and I will show you. Okay, now I remember you have to take this, and you have this small lip from the panel, then you just see, voila, and then you can start prying it away. Yeah, so now you can get to the screw that holds this in. I will now take the screw out. I can't hold the phone and do it at the same time because I have to keep this a bit out of the way. But yeah, I use the cup holder to hold my screws. It's now out, and now you can get behind this. There's a piece that holds it back, and then do this, and you start tugging from underneath because there's a lip of this panel. Voila, now it's off. It's easier than before. You have a connector here that you have to take out because it's for the lock, to get it out of the way if you don't want to do it. I think you can, but it could scratch up. Okay. There's a piece you have to press in this to get, and then pull it out. Now there are two screws here. Two screws here. You have to take them out, and then I can pull that out as well. You have this clip and this clip that hold it in. These should do something, but no, I had no problem with those. After that you have to take the connector out. You press here and then pull away from the panel. That's what I'm gonna do now. The screws for the radio here and here. Then we have to take off the panel. They are all the same screws also, so don't worry if you think you're gonna mix them up. That's also easy. I think maybe the ones on top of the radio are smaller ones, but yeah, it's not really easy to mix those up, especially if that's the only place that has different ones. So with this material you have to watch out because you can press it in. It's a soft kind of panel, but it attracts easy scratches, so you have to be careful with what you pry it away with. I think it was from here. You try to start and pry away from it. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Yeah, voila. And then easy with it, because if one side doesn't want to come out and you try to pull on it too hard, it will bend or break your small panel. And I can see those are the same screws like the other ones. You have this one here and that one over there. The screws are out now. Okay. It's easy to move now. You should just be able to pull it back and out, and that's what I'm gonna show you now. Like this.